Hello folks, this is a quick update from ITISNOTAGOD regarding my previous video. I told you guys to sign up for Skyline Collect since I got an account and I show you the result. So now I got an approval from that college. You can go to their my SMCD's account activation page to start login, enter your date of birth and submit, and then they will give you an email here, the login. You can click on that link and it will direct you to this one. So for now it is weird that you cannot find the student email, right? The problem is we cannot get the student email. So I've been trying to looking for everywhere on their portals, and right here is what I found. The problem is you don't get a student email and password. It says no collect email created unless look at what I found, which made us sad. They say only you are an actively enrolled student. It is an update since February 2018. I'm sorry guys, but do not lose your hopes. Here you can try to apply for another college here. There's a lot of colleges available here, so you may choose one and let me know in the comment which college that you can get an email. Last time I tried on Citrus College and they gave an email, but it is not a Gmail. They got only Office 365. If you want Office 365 license, you can check the ones out. I will try to sign up for another college and let you know. Okay, I will try to make more videos like this one, so we will see the result later. Alright, so this is a quick update. Hopefully you get this update and try another college. Alright, I see you in the next one.